I'm going to give it to, but bless everyone's heart for participating, for subscribing, for liking, and sharing my videos because it would be nothing without you guys. And I mean absolutely nothing. You guys will rock. You are always engaged. You're always asking questions. You help me to improve my own skills of becoming a content creator. It's going on. It will be 2 years in April of 2025 that I've been doing this. So I'm really excited about that. A lot of people give up before then, but I'm in it for the long run. I'm go as they say. I'm gonna keep going till the wheels fall off. All right, but you guys didn't get to hear about my sad, happy story. This is test point, and basically you can become a tester by testing different products and stuff like that, or different mobile apps and games and stuff like that. They always need people to test different, products or you know, um, different websites and stuff like that to see if it's functionable, if people like it, and 9 times out of 10, if you are a consumer of that website and you like it, other people is gonna like it too. But if you don't like it, that's where your chances is why they might ask you questions to, help to improve some of the features on there. So if you want to become a tester, click on become a tester here. And then it's going to ask you to sign up with a couple of things here. So obviously you want to pick tester, and then you can continue to sign in with your Google account. And the name of the website is TestPoint here. All right, and then once you sign in, you'll be brought to your account here. Let's see what's going on here. All right, I guess we got to click on this. Doesn't really tell me much here, but okay, so once you register, you'll be able to complete your profile and activate your account. I'm not going to do that. I'll do that on my own time because I don't want to try to see that personal information. And then two, fast evaluation. So it's a 30-minute short evaluation test job that will be reviewed by the test point team to determine your initial test point rating. So they want to know how well you can evaluate a website or whatever they want you to test out before they start inviting you into studies and stuff like that. And then obviously you're going to get paid. Pay test jobs which matches your profile and skills will be sent to your mailbox. Accept jobs and start getting paid. So you'll get multiple jobs after that initial testing if you pass it. So it's important that you read some of this. How is my testing rating determined and impacted by me? They give you all of this. The test will be manually reviewed by testers' community managers to determine if you are a good fit for it, basically. And then, can I change my rating? Obviously, you won't be able to do that. Um, it's really up to you to make sure you're scored a good high rating. And then, yes, I got accepted as a tester. Now, what? They give you information about that to going forward. And then accepting and participating in the live test cycle, nail it. So if you've been on my channel for a while, you know that it's just different testing products or different websites and stuff like that. And this is no different from UTest or Uber test, stuff like that. They just want to test the different functionalities of different products and stuff like that. So I talk about those on my channel. So if you don't get selected into this one, there's a good chances that you will get selected into another one. So it's really straightforward. Just go ahead and sign up. I would say ideally you probably would get paid maybe $50 to $100 per month, and that's included. That's not included if you don't getting a test in a single month. You might have 2 tests, 3 tests, 4 tests in a month. It just kind of all depends, and most likely if you're spending at least about an hour, you're going to get paid between at least $90 or $100 or even more than that depending on how long the test is. So it's really to your benefit and not to your detriment to actually, do good on that initial testing because if you don't, then you probably won't get accepted into the program. which means you won't be able to continue to do tests, which means you won't make money. So that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know if anyone has ever heard about this website, because I always stay bringing you new content. I stay making you money every single week. I hope that I make you have money every single week because I'm trying to put you on to different opportunities. And if you have not signed up with um, Lens Research Program. You need to do that on my channel, and I talked about that about a week or two ago. So you can sign up for that if you want to make at least $100 or $120 bi-weekly, weekly, or monthly. If you don't get selected into this, and then also if you don't get selected into neither one of those, you have user interviews, Responded.io, um, Algorithm Research, Focus Forward, recruit and field. You have all these other different type of market research companies that you can apply for that I've been trying to tell you guys over and over and over again. I hope it's starting to sink in that you have to keep applying if you want more money in your pocket. But I'm not going to make this too much longer. I just wanted to say, they're just testing it out before they roll it out. And basically, you can sign up and be the first one to get notified when you first see an ad. And so you can go ahead and put in your email address and then click to sign up, and then you're going to be brought to this particular page where it says thanks, take action and move up in the company. And then you can just pretty much watch this video here. I'm not going to play it here because it's going to interfere with my audio with what I'm saying now. But you can watch it, and this is the CEO is talking a little bit more about what the app does, what the browser extension does. So many people have joined this, and it has not even rolled out yet. Over 2,829 members have already joined. So get on it while it's hot. So the ways you can earn points, you can tell your friends about it. You can visit Facebook. You can follow Twitter. You can YouTube, Instagram, all this stuff that you can do to start making money from this particular browser extension. And remember to sign up because it's not fully up and running yet. It's not added to Google Play Store, I'm assuming, yet. So once it does, you'll be the first one to know about it. And it's called UPAID. So advertisements is going to pay you to watch the advertisement, and you can watch as many advertisements as you want on this particular browser extension. So if you haven't, just go ahead and go to this particular website, upaid.website/. And you can go ahead and get signed up for this. But other than that, you all have a great and wonderful day. Bye.